Hello, good morning, students. I am your Srinivasa. Today we can discuss a new topic, a multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Students, before going to this topic, you have to recall that we already discussed the fractions, addition, subtraction, and conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. We already discussed in 4th standard. Today we can discuss the multiplication of fractions. In that, multiplication of fraction by an whole number. Students, we know that whole number is nothing but it's a set of natural numbers includes 0. That means the 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. so on. These are the whole numbers. So with this whole number, we have to multiply the fraction. Fractions means it's in the form of A by B. Is it right? Okay. So we can discuss some of the examples now. Here, first example, multiplication of fraction by an whole number. Multiplication of fraction by an whole number. This is your topic. You have to see this picture in your textbook also. For example 1, find the product of 12 divided by 13 and 6. Students, we know that 12 divided by 13 is a fraction number. Is it right? Because it's in the form of A by B. So upper side is numerator and down side is denominator. We already discussed. These are the basic facts in the fractions. So this is a fraction number with multiplied with 6. 6 is a whole number. Is it right? So we come to the product. So 12 by 13 into 6. We written like this. Now we can multiply this whole number with the numerator of a given fraction. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವೋ ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ವಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ 12 into 6 divided by 13. Have you understand? Okay, now we know the product. See here, 12 into 6, 12 6 is 72. Is it right? 13 as it is. So it's in the form of improper fraction. Is it right? Improper fraction. So now if you want to again simplify this answer, then you convert to mixed fraction. How you convert this? We already know that you divide 13 from 72 and is happen like this. This is okay. You already understand this to how to write in mixed fraction, or you can write simply as this answer only 72 by 13. Next we can discuss another one example. Find the product of 7, 1 by 7 and 14. So in this case it have mixed fraction. Is it right? First you can convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then we multiply with 14. Now 7, 1 by 7 is a mixed fraction. Convert 1 by 7 into improper fraction. How it is? We know that. See, denominator into whole number plus numerator. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. That is 7 7s are 48. 48 plus 1 49. 49 plus 1 divided by 7. Okay, sorry, 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1 is 50 by 7. So like that you have to convert this 50 by 7. So the product is 50 by 7. Again we want to multiply with 14. See, you write like this. This answer, improper fraction answer, 50 by 7 into 14. Now this 14 is multiplied with only numerator. That is 50 is a numerator. So 50 into 14 divided by 7. So 50, when you are multiply 15 into 14, so you remember using the property of zeros in the multiplication. Forget the zero, just we can multiply 14 5 is a 70, again add with 0, it happen 700 by 7, that nothing but 7 ones are 700s. So answer is 100, or you can divide 7 divide 700, answer is 100 only. So like that we can solve the multiplication of a fraction. And some other have examples, see in your exercise problem. Okay, 4 by 7 into 6. So you can write 4 into 6 by 7, answer is 24 by 7. 4 6 are 24 by 7. Again 2 by 9 into 9, we can multiply 2 by 2 into 9 by 9 as it is. It happened to 9 is 18 by 9, 9 ones are 9 twos, answer is 2. Or you simply cancel this 2 by 9 into 9, 9 9 get cancelled, answer is 2. When denominator and whole number is same number, then you can easily get cancelled. Then the numerator itself only be a answer. Have you understand? Students, I hope you can enjoy this lesson. In some other problems there in your exercise problem, I send you. You have to solve this. That's your homework. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.